Hi everyone, I'm Mark Lelinski. I'm co-founder and CEO of ARVR Technologies. ARVR develops industrial strength, virtual and augmented reality content for the biopharmaceutical, medical device, and healthcare sectors. Our goal is to transform the outdated and inefficient commercial model in use today in biopharma and medical devices, where they spend upwards of $70 billion each year on sales and marketing, and yet more than 50% of that spend is wasted. This is an industry we understand extremely well, as our senior team has all come out of the biopharma sector, and we've dealt with the very problems that Aardvark is now solving. What if this waste could be reduced by making interactions with clinicians, patients, and payers more engaging and impactful? Taking on this problem is what motivates us every day at Aardvark. And while our traction to date has been strong, we're just getting started. We're also in the process of designing a SaaS-based business model where we own the content and license it to others. So let's take a minute and show you an example of an app that we developed for one of our first customers, Becton Dickinson, a $16 billion global medical device company. In this example, called the Vascular Access Management System, or VAM, Aardvark developed an augmented reality app that is used today by hundreds of sales reps in the US, Canada, and Western Europe. The problem BD is trying to help solve is the high rate of infections caused by catheter complications, resulting in longer, more costly hospital stays. Let's take a closer look at how the app works. First, the sales rep engages a nurse or a physician in a dialogue about the topic of catheter infections and shows a short video on high infection rates. Then the sales rep asks the clinician if they'd like to experience a new way of looking at this big problem. The clinician then picks from one of a myriad of catheter infection types and a specific arm location for the catheter. The sales rep places a sticker that looks similar to a Band-Aid on the insertion site and hands the clinician their iPad with the camera engaged. This sticker is the target that triggers the app to start. The app has three main slider bars that each serve a specific purpose. The slider bar to the far left is used to better match up the subject's skin tone before proceeding with the demonstration. The slider bar to the immediate right is then used to pull back the skin and present a photorealistic view of what's happening under the skin during a catheterization. Note you can also see the catheter in action. The final slide bar to the far right then allows the clinician to visualize the infection as it progresses. First, we can see what the infection looks like under the skin, and then we can see what it looks like on top of the skin. There's a lot more content in the VAM app, but hopefully this short demo gives you a sense of some of our work. This app was so well received that we have 2 more apps now on order from Becton Dickinson. I just wanted to say thank you for considering us for the Accelerator program. From what we know about the Capital Factory, you like startups to have, number 1, been bootstrapped from the very beginning. Number 2, have a revenue focus and paying customers. Number 3, have a minimal viable product that's tested in the market. And number 4, have a collaborative, experienced, talented team. At Aardvark, we think we check all those boxes. So in closing, think of Aardvark this way. What WebMD today is to online, text-based healthcare information, Aardvark aspires to be to creating unforgettable ARVR-based visual experiences for healthcare. Thank you.